everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn simple lines in Canva into your own unique designs element. So let's get started. First, just open your Canva project and then go to elements and then just add lines. This one. Like this. And then next, just tap on the line and then just adjust the styles as you like. Like you can adjust these tools. Stroke width like this, and then next just go to line type, this one, and then in here you can select output to create a custom path like this. Just drag the handles to shape the line exactly how you want like this, and then also you can also choose curve, this one, like this, if you want to a smooth and curved shape like this. And from here, just duplicate your lines or just rotate them and connect them together. And then by combining multiple lines, you can create a completely new custom element. And okay, that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.